Hello, and welcome to the EDS Client Tutorial 9. In this tutorial, we will discuss the EDS server reports within the EDS client. The server reports are located at the menu bar at the option labeled Reports. To generate a report, select the wanted dates from the Dates controls. Select the models to include in the report. Each report can be extracted to a CSV file using the CSV button. The reports files are located at the path specified in the text box. After you have selected all the parameters, click the Generate Report button. There are 9 types of reports. Report 1, Events Count per Model. Report 2, Events Count per Model per month. Report 3, Events Count per Model per detector. Report 4, Minutes Count per detector per week above delay time. Report 5, Unobserved and Unclassified Events Count. Report 6, Total Events per Site and Detector. Report 7, Total Events per Site and Classification Groups. Report 8, Processed Records Daily. Report 9, Events Closed Before Trigger. Thank you. We hope this tutorial was helpful and clear. For more details, please go to our website.